Welcome to Gramma's Remedies, timeless wellness tips inspired by generations of tradition. Today, we're warming things up with a soothing drink that's been passed down in kitchens for centuries, turmeric milk. Also known as golden milk, this gentle remedy is cherished for its calming, anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to support digestion. If you're looking for a natural way to ease inflammation and support your digestive system, this warm and comforting drink may be just what your body needs. Today's remedy is turmeric milk, a golden, healing beverage that calms the body and supports digestion naturally. What you need: a half teaspoon of high-quality turmeric powder, 2 cups of warm milk, plant-based or dairy, your choice. How to make it: warm the milk gently, then stir in the turmeric powder until fully dissolved. Mix well and sip slowly. For added comfort and taste, you can include a pinch of black pepper or a drizzle of honey, just like Grandma used to do. Why it works: turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It helps soothe the digestive tract, reduce bloating, and ease discomfort. Drinking it in warm milk not only makes it easier to absorb, but also brings a sense of relaxation and balance. It's a nurturing blend that has stood the test of time, and for good reason. Try it and stay connected. Try this golden remedy in the evening or after meals to wind down and support your gut naturally. Don't forget to follow Grandma's Remedies so you'll always be the first to receive the next soothing wellness tip. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare provider before using herbal remedies, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, or taking medications. Thank you for spending time with Grandma's Remedies. We'll see you next time with another tradition worth sipping on.